So when you think about the hospital facilities in particular in this area, outages, even short outages, momentary outages, can really disrupt the great work that they're doing inside of these facilities. These projects are going to be a game changer in terms of the reliability that customers in this area experience going forward. So one of the projects that we're doing is a modernization of a substation that was built in the 1950s. The power equipment that we'll put into that substation is so much more reliable, and it's also so much smarter. That helps us identify where the problem is, be able to isolate that section of a line, and then restore customers so much more quickly. We're going to upgrade about 10 miles of distribution lines, replace about 200 poles.
We really appreciate all the work that Ameren has done to improve the infrastructure in this region so that not only our neighbors have more stable power, but most importantly our patients and families have a great experience when they're here for services.